See how easy trading is. Today morning analysis, I asked you to buy gold at 1630, first resistance at 1640.45, and then beyond that it may fly. Likewise silver at 1960, likewise US 30 at 32,000 and US 100 at 10,750 levels. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect with the NFP data, whether we can expect a rise or it is going to crash all along. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out whether to buy, whether to sell, or what to do. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch till the end. Do listen to the levels clearly. Also, yes, do note down the levels and please stick to the levels. And with the stop loss also. If you just stick to the levels, definitely you will profit. Also remember, do not trade the news. Either put a trade before NFP with a strict stop loss and the targets, else after NFP stay away from the trading for a little while till the markets take a direction. So trade accordingly. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow. Look at gold on the hourly charts. See consolidation, a rally, consolidation, higher highs, and yes, the support there at 1645. 1645 again giving it a very good support, and then the support is at 1640. Now see first green candle, lower highs, and now it is trying to break. The resistance there at 1654, 1655 is very strong. But remember, it can potentially give you sharper green candles from here, taking it above 1665, 70 levels also. Because yes, from 1630 levels, it has seen a good rally. Once here it consolidated, now here it is consolidated. Any drop below 1640, you can sell there. Any drop below 1640, you can sell there and expect it to drop more till towards 1635 and 30 levels. Now look, directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD is bullish here. The stochastic RSI is also trading near to the highs. Look at the 2 hour charts. Now look at the 2 hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs. It is trying to trade in this. Any break below this zone at 1644, yes, you can expect 1640 levels. First and very strong support. Then 1635, then 1630 levels. Yes, you can initiate a sell entry precisely at these levels, that is 1644 levels, but then expect that you are not going to get much of the points till 1648 respects. Be careful, sell there at 1644 and expect it to drop more. Now on the upside, see it has taken a support here and hence it is looking forward to a little rise. The next candle when it starts, I will wait for it to break past 1655 levels, or rather I will say 1654 levels. Beyond 1654 I will expect it to give 1660, major target, major strong resistance, and in fact it can try to hit 1665 and 70 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. See, it has seen the peak here on the 2 hour charts. Probably it may start to converge from here, hence you have to remain careful. On the 3 hour charts, now look at the 3 hour charts. See how beautiful it is positioned, almost the double bottom there, and with that as double bottom it is showing you a rise there. Now how big can be the candle? It can be of same size from 1635 to, you can see 1636 to 46, and from here if you count 1648 to 58 or 60 levels can be expected. So yes, beyond 1654 you can expect 1658, 60 zone, very strong resistance there. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. It has seen the peak. It is trying to cross over, and hence this may also indicate a bearish reversal from here. But look at MACD, divergent and bullish, and it can continue to remain bullish. RSI looking upwards. So yes, as the time frame, if you see 3 hour, 4 hour time frames, it is indicating that yes, though it can see a drop, but still it may remain bullish and reverse from there, and hence probably buying the dip till 1630 is a good opportunity to sell. Till the time it trades above 1630, you can remain bullish. Now look at the 4 hour charts. First and major support at 1640, and if it breaks below 1640, you will find 1635 and 30 as the major support. Yes, you can sell there at 1644, I'll say buy at 1654, sell at 1644. Below 1644, you can expect 1640 as the major support. then 1635 and then 1630. Now look at the candles here. See support there at 1631 green candle. Second green candle, increasing body size indicates increasing bullishness. Probably a sharper green candle may also appear. You have to remain cautious there. Taking it till towards 1665-70 levels is possible. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD has just crossed over. This is bullish. This is just second green candle. Probably a third green candle and a fourth green candle may also appear. RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. Now see the daily charts here, and you can find the daily charts getting the resistance here at this zone. This is the 50 period moving average. Remember, it is trading above the 20 period moving average. And now looking at this zone, that is 1665, 1670 zones, precisely 1668 levels to be the greater resistance. Hence you have to be cautious of this. There is a possibility that it can try to achieve this, because see, yesterday it has seen a breakout. Now it is opened flat and shown a greater rise. And see, though there is resistance there, probably we may see it swinging in between this. So only bullish entry is about 1654, where you can expect it to rise a little till towards 1660, 1667, 68 zone, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Directional movement is trying to converge and crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD has just crossed over. This is the first green candle. We can expect few more green candles. RSI looking up. Considering this, it's very easy. Sell at 1644, buy at 1654. On the upside, 1667-71 zone is going to be a greater resistance. There is a possibility that it may achieve it. Hence, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, I have told you how to trade the news in the beginning of the video. If you have not listened, listen to it. Sell below 1644, expect 1640, 1635, 1630. Till the time it trades above 1630, you can buy the dip below 1630, just go short, just sell gold below 1630 levels. You can further expect bearishness, and else if you are taken a short position at 1644, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Now this is all for gold. Time for us to see Nasdaq. And before we start, yes, if you want to learn this art of reading the charts, taking the entries, taking the supports, and finding out the supports and resistance and trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. 16 batches full. You can book the seats for next batch. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Else you can be part of my signals group, where you can just trade as per the signals and definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. Just scroll the video. In the description you will find my Telegram ID and my email IDs, where you can reach me and connect with me. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, on the hourly charts, Nasdaq 100 has seen the size. It is showing a reversal here. Probably the greatest support here is 10750 and then 10700. See, I had told many a times, day before yesterday also, below 10850, 10750, 10700, 10650 are the major supports. It has seen the support level at 10650 and shown a good rise. Now see how it is traded. It has shown a reversal. Today morning we talked about this. Since then it is trying to trade in this channel. Now on the upside, now till the time it trades about 10700, you can expect that it may show you little bullishness. Only bearish confirmation is below 10700. On the upside, this zone 10820, 10880 and 920 are the major resistance. And yes, if it trades beyond 10950, consider that as a strongly bullish indication, and then it may fly high. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to the highs. The MACD bullish, it is trying to converge. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, drop, retracement, and probably it is trying to trade in this channel. The downside is far away. Hence it has seen the highs here at 10800, trying to reverse. Once it drops below 10700, you can stay short 10650, 600. In fact, it can drop till towards 10500. Remember this fact, it can drop till towards 10500. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over. It is divergent and bullish. Probably if it is bearish, if this is the peak it has seen. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, See, the drop was sharper, the retracement is slower, and hence probably it can show you the drop from here. You can expect 10,600, 10,500 levels to be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is only the bullish indication which we are having right now. RSI trading near to the oversold zone. Just now it has come out. Let's see if it sustains. On the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So see, this could be the retracement. And yes, once you see it trading about 10,800 levels, you can definitely buy it. Expect 10,850, 880, 920, 950, 11,000 levels. So yes, beyond 10,820 you can buy. I will not say 800 but 820. Buy at 10,820. Expect 10,880, 920, 950, 11,000. Beyond 11,000 it will fly high. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is trying to converge. Probably we may see some little bullish moves. RSI oversold and near to the bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first 3 red candles. Yesterday's candle precisely diminishing bearishness. Then if you measure this, the bottom is done despite a breakout. Almost it has achieved the shorts out there. It is trying to trade in this zone. Once it breaks below 10,650, consider this for a very strong drop. This time we may see 10,500 again, and below 10,500 it is going to crash heavily on the downside. So wait for it to breach past 10,650. At the same time, look at the highs. Probably even if it has to rise, it can try to rise strongly, and then this time 11,150, 200 levels can be expected. Directional movement divergent and bearish, and hence on the daily chart it appears it may try to converge. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD has just crossed over, and this is a sell crossover. It is continuing with the bearish momentum. RSI trading near to the bottom. So considering this, you can sell there today at 10,700, but then expect 10,650 as the major support. Below 10,650, stay short for 10,600, 10,500 levels directly. On the upside, you can buy there at 10,820, expect 10,880, 920, 950 and 11,000 levels. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at Dow Jones on the hourly charts. This is expanding. At the same time, this is showing you a reversal. Now see, this is the support here at 32,050 levels. So yes, if it breaches 32,050 and specifically 31,980, if you see it trading below 31,980 levels, sell there and you can expect 31,800, and then it may try to drop more. So see, on the hourly charts, it is trying to create a channel of its own, and probably 31,800 is the bottom there. There could be a possibility that you may buy at 31,800, and then it may try to trade between 31,800 and 32,250 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. It is trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, formed a bullish pattern. Yes, if it breaks past 32,250, you can expect a stronger bullish momentum which may take it till towards 32,400 levels. Be careful. Beyond 32,250, you can expect 32,400, 32,500 levels also on the upside. Directional movement not indicative of a crossover. It is still trading bearish. Stochastic near to overbought levels. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI looking downwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. So drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see, with this retracement, it has achieved the highs out there, which indicates there could be a breakout. So beyond 32,250, you can stay long for 32,400 and 500 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. MACD has just crossed over. This is a bullish crossover on the 3-hour charts, which may sustain the bullish momentum. RSI near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, a megaphone pattern. Yes, if it breaks past 32,250 levels, certainly you can expect 32,400 levels to be seen, and then it can even, in fact, it can achieve 32,500 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic near to the highs. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is still looking downwards, indicating little strength out there. And now look at the most important one, the daily charts. On the daily charts, previous candle indicated that neither the bulls nor the bears are in control. At the same time, it breached the support. It has almost achieved these levels on the downside, 31,700. Now see, it has achieved the highs also. So yes, possibly once it breaks beyond 31,250, you can expect 31,300, 400, 500. Till 500, probably there is a 32,500. 32,500 till there, probably it may retrace again on the downside. Also remember, once it draws below 31,900, you can stay short. You can expect at least 31,700 and then 31,500 levels to be seen. Direction movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD looking for a crossover, RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 31,900 only and buy at 32,250. Now what to expect in between these 350 points? These are the points where you may see a very strong swing, and hence you have to remain cautious. Above 32,250 you can expect a stronger bullish move. At the same time, on the downside, you can expect that there could be a support at 32,000 levels also. Yes, you can sell it, rather I will say 32,050 levels. I am reducing it, 32,050, 32,250 for these 200 points do not trade. Below 32,050 you can expect a stronger drop for 32,000, 31,950. Remember, till 31,900 I will not consider this bearish. Beyond 31,900 it is going to fail, so drop sharply. So take your trades accordingly. Sell at 32,050, buy at 32,250. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.